would like to take some questions too, please.
Why are you so late to start your campaign now with just about a month to go?
There is plenty of time. We have been campaigning since July, and the groundswell of support in this campaign has been overwhelming. We have had literally hundreds of volunteers step forward, and we had the honor of having 27,711 people be kind enough to write my name in on the ballot on September 14th.
Can you talk? Some of the sort of issues that get thrown around these kind of campaigns, like death penalty, for example. Where are you on that? Do you think that there should be a death penalty in Massachusetts?
At one point early in my career, when I was a prosecutor, then I was a special assistant district attorney, I served as the appellate prosecutor in a case where they shot and murdered Chief Robert Mortel. The individual who shot him most definitely did deserve the death penalty. Yes.
Can you talk a bit more about...
Does that mean you favor the death penalty then?
Yes.
So you, have you always supported it, or?
My thought on the death penalty is there are certain cases such as that where it absolutely would apply. What we must do as a society is provide that every safeguard possible be in place at that point. And where there are issues about, it must be done properly, but on a very basic level, it should be in place. Yes.
What do you think the Attorney General should do when it comes to illegal immigration? I mean, if you were to be elected, what would your policy be when it comes to getting illegal immigrants out of the state? How would you crack down?
We have a couple different approaches we must take, one of which is to build a consensus that it's wrong to be here illegally. We don't have that consensus now. Sanctuary cities are part of what we have in Massachusetts, and we need to build a consensus that is absolutely wrong to be here illegally. People who are here illegally and are serving time in prison for felonies upon the end of their sentence are not deported, but just put back on the street. That has to stop.
How about, would you be in favor of sweeps to round up illegal immigrants? Checks at which people were asked to present proof of citizenship, that kind of thing?
If we provided under our law that everyone arraigned on criminal charges in court must identify themselves, must establish who they are, including whether they're citizens, that would be, I think, a major step forward.